Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Pamela and I just want to say hi to all of the new Kooky fam, everyone that has joined my houseplant community. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you so much. I am so grateful and so thankful for you all for choosing to subscribe to my channel and just follow my content, no matter how long the videos are or how silly or how just controversial. Thank you for everyone who has decided to join me along my journey. So yeah. So in today's video I'm going to be doing another reaction video, and this one is a BuzzFeed video that I'm going to react to. It is called "Is This a Jungle or an Apartment?" and it pretty much just says this guy loves plants. He has 1,400 of them in his apartment. And I said, what? 1,400 plants? Granted, 1,400 to someone who alone in their room has almost 200, it's not too hard to think of, like, all right, 1,400 plants is a lot of, I can't honestly, like, I'm not even gonna try to, I can't think in an apartment 1,400 plants. So I'm very excited, very, very, very curious as to how he has his plants set up, what plants are set up in this apartment jungle. And as always, grab a snack, grab something to drink, maybe some water, maybe some tea, coffee, anything, kombucha, anything of your choice. You know, your house is your palace. I have some water with me. Oh, that was delicious. So if you're interested in seeing this video, seeing my reaction and also your reaction to this video, then keep on watching. Okay everyone, so welcome back. Oh, I am actually really excited to see what this video encompasses. What is this video about? What are the plants? 1,400 plants? That's mad. As always, I have my lappy top. And let's start the video.
I have 1,400 houseplants in my 12 by 6 meter apartment.
I'm gonna have to Google how large 12 by 6 meters is to square feet, because in the States we use square feet versus meters. But my goodness, look at the layout. Look at that rubber tree. Oh my gosh. Ah, beautiful, 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 beautiful already.
So it all started when I was about 13 years old. My grandmother gave me a spider plant cutting.
So his name is Joey Bagley and he lived in Lancaster, United Kingdom, if that's how you pronounce it, I believe. And everyone has to start from somewhere. His love for plants started with his grandmother giving him a cutting. So that's awesome. It has to start from family. Like, for example, mine started from my mom. My Dieffenbachia, my mom gave me a cutting of that plant, and since then it's been in my collection. It's the largest plant in my collection, and it is just, I'm so proud of it. It makes me so proud of myself to see that I grew this little thing from nothing, and it's humongous, and everyone just loves it so much. And they're always asking, like, how do you get it like this? Time and love and patience. That is honestly what I can just say, is plants take time to grow.
So nurturing a little specimen into a big plant was quite a good achievement, especially for a 13-year-old. whereas it did just die immediately to, you know.
Wow, I'm sorry, but I just got some decor design inspo from just that guide through. My goodness, I've been wanting a palm for so long, and I'm looking at this palm right now and I'm so jealous of his palm. It's so beautiful. I just want a palm. I want to put this in my kitchen, and I want to put a palm here. Please, I just want a palm. I just want a palm.
Put me in misery. So having a specimen that grew really well, it got me into thinking about other plants that I could possibly.
Wow. Now I just feel like I need to declutter some furniture to make space for more plants, because 1,400 plants. This is a little embarrassing right now. How much plants I got in here? Like about like 200. This is a little embarrassing that I need more plants.
Have, and then from that plant I started to have Venus flytraps. So that went really well. I had that for about.
I've always wanted a Venus flytrap. I've always been into carnivorous plants, but I never gone to get one. I'm intimidated by them. I want a sundew though. I really have been wanting a sundew for months now, and sundew, I'm coming for you.
I had that for about 2 years because it was so.
Remember, sorry, Little Shop of Horror. Little Shop of Horror, that's where I was first introduced to Venus flytraps, and since then I've been wanting one. But I haven't got one. But I'm gonna sundew though.
Successful, it started to really get me into what else could I grow, and seeing a plant on death's doors to start to read.
Do you see that bathroom? I am so embarrassed at my lack of plants in other parts of my home. I still live with like my parents, right? So of course I can't just take over the entire house. I concentrate most of my plants, you know, in my room, in the kitchen, in the bathroom. My living room doesn't get much light at all, so I don't have any living plants there. But I look at that. I need to use my brain a bit more. Where's the decor, Pam? Pam, come on. This is such inspiration. This is unhealthy. Videos like this is unhealthy. Why do I feel the need to get more plants? Back in the day, there were the haul videos, the shop with me videos, and that used to entice people to purchase a bunch of clothes. And now there's the whole environmental friendly wave that's going on right now, so people are not wasting money on clothes anymore. They're being more conscious. So this is exactly what this is. Watching people's stuff and wanting to get what they have. This is unhealthy.
Rejuvenate and start growing again was another quite a good experience and a good feeling that there's a sense of accomplishment.
I'm a sucker for just a good B-roll. These B-rolls are they got me.
So since then, my passion and knowledge for houseplants has exploded over the last 7 years. Now, when you have so many plants in such a small proximity.
7 years, 1,400 plants. That's still a lot. Okay. That is still a lot. Hold on. Are those? mealybugs.
Then you're going to have diseases and pests. So learning about...
Oh my gosh. Oh gosh. There's not a bug that I dislike more than mealybugs. I lost a humongous Hoya rotundiflora plant trying to kill an infestation of mealybugs on that plant. And the only reason that plant had mealybugs is because of the horrible, stupid, freaking Hoya compacta carnosa variegata train wreck of a plant series that I have on my channel. That plant came infested with mealybugs. I didn't know what mealybugs were because I never had bugs in my home. So I came to find out, the whole plant is dead by the way. I come to find out that had mealybugs. The mealybugs spread to every single plant in that window by the way. So I think I have maybe over 12 plants in the window. All of them had mealybugs by the way. So they're all gone now, thank God. Thank you, thank you, thank you God. But I tried to kill the mealybugs with rubbing alcohol, you know, and somewhere someone said, yeah, it's safe to put alcohol in the soil. It's going to evaporate and just leave water, okay? Do not do that. Do not pour alcohol in the soil of your plant. It will fry the roots of your sensitive plants. I lost the rotundiflora, and I also lost my string of dolphins to alcohol burn. Never do that ever. If you're going to use alcohol, use it precisely and do not get it in the freaking soil. Please learn from my mistake, okay? Learn vicariously through me. Let me make mistakes so you don't have to. Got it? Alright.
How to address it, and experimenting with different products and methods did teach me a lot.
I hate mealybugs. They're disgusting. They're not beneficial insects. If it's not beneficial, I don't need it.
I've learned a lot over the years, especially from experimenting and experience, and also just, you know, pollinating different types of plants together and seeing whether they will produce seeds.
That is one thing I have not done yet. In a past life, I was a biology major, so I know how to cross pollinate plants, and it's not that hard to like just pollinate your plants either. But that is another realm of plant growing that I might want to start getting into, is cross pollination and cross breeding plants. That is something I never thought about until he just mentioned it. And I have seen some friends doing that, but they do it with more of like the cacti. Yo, I want my own type of shit. Like, I want my own type of plant.
So I've managed to create my own little variety of Streptocarpus, which is a
wow, look at that oxalis.
flowering plant from southern Africa, and it's quite interesting because I've got little seedlings now, but it's quite nice to see that if you do experiment with your hobby, then you can.
That is an amazing accomplishment, by the way. That is an amazing accomplishment to be like, hey, I created this species. I created this combination of plants. Yes, I have a Hoya linearis crossed with a Hoya compacta, and that is my Hoya Pamela Pierre, okay? Period. That's it. That is oh my god, don't steal my idea. Don't steal my idea. Don't do it. Do not. Don't do it.
Actually get something completely different that no one else has on the planet. And I think that's quite a good little achievement.
Wow, that oxalis is beautiful.
I started the Instagram page, UK Houseplants, around 2 years ago because I felt that...
Alright, okay, alright. His feed looks nice. His feed looks nice.
There wasn't a website that had a standardized format of how it looks, you know, the care cultivation of a certain plant. And how I
love this because this is such inspiration for also how to design, how to structure your own photography too. So it's not just like what you're scrolling on, like the people you're following, but this is like a little Pinteresty too.
do it, especially on the Instagram, is I'll have, you know, the bullet points: water, location, you know, humidity, and fertilization, because I want.
Very great advice. If you're ever gonna post anything, try to post something with value. Very important.
I wanted to create a very easy way for people to obtain plant cultivation for free.
That's really amazing. That's really great.
So horticulture in general is actually a very cheap hobby. All you need to do, and I'm talking about houseplants in this.
What is that? I don't have an oxalis. It's on my wish list from one of the Jenna Marbles plants. This is, if I would get this plant for my mom, her favorite color is purple. She would love this. And they open and they close like that. That is beautiful.
Is just to start off your interest, just buy a peace lily or a devil's ivy, something that has very easy care requirements. So my advice, especially to keep the cost down, is to buy plants small, learn with them, grow them, and because bigger, more established specimens, if you change their location too much, they can't bounce back from it as quickly as little seedlings or small juvenile plants can.
So that is the end of the video. I definitely am going to agree with everything that he just mentioned. You don't have to start off small, but please don't start off at the largest the plant can go. Get a 4-inch plant, you know, size pot. Get a 2-inch size pot, something small, so you could figure the plant out. And I promise you, with patience and a little bit of care, the growth of your plant is going to just happen instantly. You're not even going to notice how fast your plant is growing because it's no longer the focus. The focus is, oh, you know, I got this. I understand it, you know, this is the routine. This is what it needs. Okay, I'm learning the needs. I know the needs. Versus like being afraid of it getting harmed or damaged because you don't know, like, is it gonna do good in this location, yada yada yada. You know, like I've mentioned, this plant is for my mom and I can place it at the window, it's do great. I can place it so far from the window and it's still doing great because the plant has it's been accustomed to this space and it knows, like, all right, how am I gonna survive? This is what I'm getting, this is what I'm receiving. I've been here for a minute. I got this. This is my home. I feel, you know, I feels it. You feels me. But yes, everyone, so this is the end of the video. If you liked it, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up and sharing. Subscribe if you aren't already. Join this little cookie family because we're pretty awesome here. Be part of the houseplant community. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to be notified every single time I upload a new video. And I will see you in the next one. Let's get growing. Bye.